Alright, what's going on YouTube? It's your boy Jay, and today I'm going to talk to you all about how to make your 3.6 pentastar faster than a 5.7. With most of these mods, you would definitely be faster than a 5.7. And maybe on the next video, we'll be talking about how to make your car faster than a Scat Pack or a Hellcat. But make sure you all like, comment, subscribe, and get ready, because this is a lot of information that you will need to be faster than a 5.7 and close to a Scat Pack, but not right there. Alright, so I'm gonna keep it a buck with you all. The first mod you should do is change out your rear differential. For most of these cars, you get like a 262 open differential or a 308 open differential. And what I mean by open differential is whenever you do like a pull, all the power shoots back and goes to one tire. And that's not what you need for these heavy cars. You need to have both tires with the power to send you forward. And right now, I have a 390 differential. You can get a 370 or a 309 limited slip differential. That's when both tires are pushing you forward. But from what I know, that the open differential is kind of slowing you guys down. The 390 differential, you will shift just like this. It's not recommended for daily driving, but you know, I don't care. I'm gonna still drive, break it, repeat. And you know, it is what it is at that point. But if you want to like daily drive the car, you may get like a 370 or a 309 limited slip. That way, if you want to do donuts, you can do donuts. You don't have to worry about doing all this type of finesse to get both tires to spin, or you know, you have to cut the wheels some type of way. You can just, you know, do a little burnout, get a little wicked with it, you know. But yeah, the differential is the first thing you should do. All right, I had to move inside for this one because it was getting too dark outside. But for the second mod you should do, you should have your car tuned. There's a lot of power that is left on the table because the car is underpowered from the factory. So after you get the differential, you should have your car tuned. I have a HP tuner MPVI 2 and an unlocked PCM. For anything under 2014, all you need is the tuner and the credits. For 15, you have to get your PCM unlocked. I cannot stress that enough, because if you just get the tuner, you will not be able to do anything with it. Or you may fry your PCM. I don't know. I haven't tried it. But you need a tune. If you need someone to have your car tuned by, I could recommend Demigod Tuning by Mario Rodriguez. He is great with these V6 platforms. He has been tuning my car, and he has been helpful every step of the way. Another one that I know of is Hemi Fever Tuning, and he uses the Diablo tuner. That is for like your starter tuner or like your basic tuner for the Diablo tuning. Okay, so after you have your LSD installed and you have the car tuned, you need to get all the unnecessary weight out of the car. These cars are already heavy as is. If you need to change out your tires and rims, you need to get something lighter. Get those. If you need to take out your rear seat like I did and take out your spare tire, do that. But you need to take all the unnecessary weight out of the car. These cars are about 39 to 4,500 pounds alone. So you already at a disadvantage. So take all the unnecessary weight that you already don't need. I'm telling y'all what else y'all could get, and I honestly don't know if it actually makes power, but I did it to try to research, and it's taking forever to come back. But you can get your intake manifolds ported. I have a friend with a 3.6 Challenger, and he has basically all the mods that I have, including the ported intake manifolds and throttle body, and he is out here beating 6.1 Scat with SRT8s. He's beating 5.7s with ease. He's beating a lot of other cars that he should not be beating with just all the mods that I named to you, excluding the differential. And yeah, he has E85 too. But all right, to add on more power, you can go E85. And for those who don't know how to go E85 on your 3.6 Pentastar, your car already has the tune installed in the car. You just have to get it unlocked. For most cars, all you need is the yellow cap or something like that. It tells you on the gas cap that is already flex fuel. But for most other cars, you have to have it unlocked. If you just plan on running E85, all you need is the tune. If you plan on going full bolt-on, you need to get bigger injectors. I have 850cc that's making 94 pounds an hour. That's what I was told from the website. I was going to use that with E85. I was going to use E85 and nitrous together, so I'll be making about whatever a Gen 1 Coyote is making. But I just ultimately decided to switch and go with the Rip Supercharger. I have the nitrous kit for sale. It has everything that you need. The nitrous progressor, the purge system. The bottle is already filled. If you want to buy it, hit me up on Instagram and we can talk numbers. So yeah, that's how you make your 3.6 pentastar faster than what it is. If you have any questions, make sure you leave them in the comment. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. And on the next video, it may be a collab or it may be me talking about why I'm not going with the nitrous kit and I'm changing it up to the supercharger kit. So make sure you guys stay tuned for the next one. All right, I'm out.